Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for 7th April 2021. So this video and analysis is for 7th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 8th April. I bring videos on daily basis so that you can make money from the market and you do not make any silly mistakes. Okay, jokes apart, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is a chart of GBP USD, and to be very honest, at least for me, this is not a beautiful chart. Okay, because things are kind of very much confusing here, and I do not like it. Personally, I do not like this kind of chart. Okay. And this is the overall chart of GBP USD for last 1.5 months. You can see that it went up, and wait, let me take out the pencil. Okay, it went up, and after that it came down, and after that, see, there was no proper trend, and again there is no proper trend. But one thing that we can notice here is that after making this low, market went up. Market came down again, but market did not cross the previous low. Market made a higher low, and market is constantly making higher lows. So which is a very good sign. This is a sign of the bullish market. It signifies that market has got some buyers present in it who are trying to take the price upward. Okay. So this is the only good sign about this market right now from this chart. Now let me take you to the weekly time frame to get a better picture. As I've already mentioned in my previous videos that market has taken support here at this level, and just look, if I remove this present candle, just look at these two candles. We can see that for the past 2 weeks, market is taking support at this level. Whenever sellers were trying to take the market downward, market was taking support and it went up. Bulls pushed the price upward and market formed hammer pattern. Market has formed hammer pattern for the last 2 weeks, taking support at this price level. And this week we can see that market is trading above this level. Okay, and market right now market has formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. Okay, right now the pattern is not that important. The only thing that is important to us is that market is trading above this line, trading above the line that it has been respecting for the last 2 weeks. Okay, this is the weekly picture. Now let's get back to the chart. So looking at the picture from the weekly chart, we can understand that yes, sellers try to take the market downward, but bulls are present in the market who are not ready to go down. Therefore, we should only be looking for buying opportunity only. And as I've already mentioned, market is making higher lows. Okay, in a market like this, you should always be looking for buying opportunity only. So if you look at the present position of the market right now, okay, you can see that market is just trading or taking support at the 50 moving average. Okay, market is just taking a support at 50 moving average. Market is in oversold zone. So if we consider these two factors, okay, consider these two factors: overbought, so oversold, extremely sorry. Market is oversold right now, and secondly, taking support at the 50 moving average. Considering these two factors, if you want to go ahead and take a small risk of buying here, then you can buy here. You can buy here right now. But if you ask me, I will not buy here personally, because see, as I've already mentioned in my few videos, I am a defensive kind of a trader. As you can see here, okay, as you can see here, I have a long list of currency pairs. Okay, so for every currency pair, I have got few levels, and I trade on those levels only. For example, for GBP USD, I'll only be trading when it will reach this particular level or this particular level. Okay, when market will go up and hit this level, okay, then I'll just observe the price. If I see the market is reversing from here, I'll short the market, because I have mentioned in my previous video that market is unable, or market tried to cross this level for 3 weeks, 3 consecutive weeks, when market failed. So this is a very important level. I'll trade in this level, and if market comes down to this level, I'll trade in this level. Okay, so because I prefer to stay safe. Anyways, if you want to take risk, if you have got a risk appetite, you can go for a small buy right here. But do remember, the safest position as of now available in this chart is either this or this, because market has good amount of resistance at this level. Okay, if you want, I can show you. See, see these three candles. See these three candles. Market, these three candles. Market tried to go up, but market failed. Okay, for 3 weeks. For 3 weeks. So this level is very much important. Okay, in case market goes up, okay, in case market goes up and hit this level, reach this level, observe the price. If market reverses from here, just short the market. Okay. In case market comes down to this particular level, as I've already mentioned, market is taking support and market has formed two consecutive hammer patterns. So in case market comes down to this particular level, I'll go for a buy and sell here. As of now, I will not be trading here in this particular level. But if you want to take some risk, and if you have got a risk appetite, you can go on. But if you are a beginner and if you cannot afford to lose money right now, then just avoid trading here. Wait for either this level or this level. This will be your safest entry in GBP USD. So this is the analysis of GBP USD. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care and do check out the Forex analysis playlist. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.